Hey, I'm Dixon Smith with ES&E. Today I'm going to be showing you some exciting new products from National Safety Apparel. You'll want to get your hands on some of these products to see how different they are from your standard safety products. Alright, we've got a customer demo bag here. We think it's important for our customers to be able to see and feel these garments to help them make purchasing decisions. Not only can you see the products, but you can also try them on for sizing purposes. Our best-selling NSA products are in this bag, including our #1 selling product, the rubber voltage gloves. This is a class 0, which is rated for 1,000 volts. This glove is a size 9, which is one of our most popular sizes. We mainly see orders for sizes 8 through 10. Go ahead and try the glove on. You know if it's too tight, you need to size up, or too loose, go down a size. NSA does have a sizing chart where you can measure the circumference of your hand, but we find trying the glove on is a lot easier. Remember to test your gloves for leaks by using the simple technique of trapping air in the glove, and always store your rubber gloves in the leathers that come with them to protect them, and of course make sure you put them in the bag that comes with the gloves. Also in our demo bag is the latest 40-calorie ArcGuard performance jacket. You really have to feel how light and flexible this material is. It's hard to believe it's rated at 40 calories. This jacket is typically sold as part of a kit with bibs, lift front hood, and class 2 rubber voltage gloves. There is also an option to get fans to go along with the lift up hood, creating extra ventilation for the user. We also sell a lot of rainwear from NSA. This one's called a Hydralight 2.0. It comes in high-vis yellow or orange. They can do custom logos like the one here with our logo on it. This gear is FR and has a 31-calorie Cat 3 rating. This material is very lightweight and breathable. It has an opening for a D-ring so you can use it with fall protection. This one is a large and you can see it's fairly long. They also make a bomber jacket that is shorter, and the kit comes with this jacket, bibs, and a mesh gear bag. If you only require a 12-calorie Cat 2 rating to work on your electrical panels, we have a PureView Arc Flash head protection kit. The kit includes a PureView face shield with a hard hat, ultra soft balaclava, safety glasses, and then a case that will hold everything. Lastly, in our bag we have 2 FR shirts that are super lightweight and breathable. They're called the FR Control 2.0. This one's long sleeve. They also make short sleeve, and they're designed as a base layer to be worn against the skin. The shirt wicks sweat and gives you added protection against an arc flash. It's 40-calorie, Cat 1 rated, and can reduce perspiration by as much as 34%. This would be a perfect garment to wear underneath an ArcGuard 40-calorie suit. They come in khaki or navy or a high-vis yellow with a 3M Scotch-Lite reflective trim. All of these products are made in the U.S. and shipped from Cleveland, Ohio. Ask your ES&E account manager to bring you the NSA demo bag if you're interested in seeing these products firsthand. Thank you for watching this video and for your business with ES&E.